Hey guys, Brian Prince here. I have this really cool product that I've been wanting to show you guys. It's called the Hydrate. Where's the logo? Bam, there it is. It's called the Hydrate Smart Water Bottle. It comes in two sizes. The size I have is the 21-ounce size. And it's really cool. It's really neat. Nothing fancy. At the end of the day, it's just a water bottle, but it works so well. It elevates it. This is this bottom part right here is an LED indicator, and it lights up in 6 unique colors to tell you when to drink water. It seems like the simplest thing in the world, but I promise you, when I'm working from home, when I'm at home, I don't drink as much water. This little guy lighting up on my desk just takes my takes my water intake to the next level. Okay. I'm drinking so much water now. My skin is so much shinier, almost too shiny. And my skin tones have even evened out. I'm not as dehydrated, not getting headaches as much anymore. Oftentimes people are getting chronic headaches and migraines. It's because they're not drinking enough water. This guy solves that problem. Hydrate. You can buy it from HidrateSpark.com, or I bought mine from apple.com. The reason I got it from apple.com is because it was $5 more than buying it direct from Hydrate, but it comes with 2 water bottle tops. So here's the one top here. They also both kind of have this nice little hangy thingy, and you take this guy, pop it open. This is the chug top, so you just kind of chug it. I mean, we're drinking water. It's not rocket science. This is it right here. And I like that. That comes in handy when you're working out. But there's also another top here. I'm not a big fan of this particular top because it's really hard to open up. You got to kind of fold it out and do all this stuff. It's cool, but if I had to drink from this, I probably wouldn't. This top also comes with a nice little straw. It's like McDonald's size straw, so it's really easy to chug. I need to drink this with my McDonald's drinks. So this is a milkshake straw from now on, but it comes with this really nice milkshake straw. But I tend to use the chug straw, especially when I'm working out. I don't have time to play and be fancy. I just want to get water. The tops both have a nice little lock. So if you slide it down, they lock. And that's pretty much it, guys. The health app, I should say the water bottle syncs with all things smart phone, smartwatch. So it integrates with Apple Health. It integrates with the Garmin devices. It integrates with Fitbit devices. It integrates with Under Armour, Google Fit. So it's just everything. It's all there. And it comes in at a hefty $64 if you buy it from HidrateSpark.com. Again, I bought mine from Apple, so I paid $70, but I got the two tops, and I did not think it was worth the $70 when my friend recommended it to me. I said, there's no way I'm spending $70 to drink water. It's probably the best $70 I've ever spent. I'm telling you. I actually recommended it to a friend of mine recently, and she bought it. She told me if she didn't think it was worth the $70, she was sending it back. She texted me yesterday and said she loves it. She's not getting headaches anymore, and it works great. So it just does what it's supposed to do. And sometimes that's enough. It does work with the Apple Watch. And I think that's it, guys. It's just great. It keeps your drinks cool for 24 hours. It's designed for cold and warm drinks, not for hot drinks. Trust and believe. Yeah, but it works with Apple Watch Series 5, Series 6. It has a Google app. You can get it on a Google Play Store. Here's the box here, right? 2 tops, 24-hour drinks. They do have a battery version of it, but I'm not a big fan of the battery version. I did the rechargeable version, and I would say that the battery lasts for about a week. So it's not something that you're charging every night. Battery lasts about a week, works over Bluetooth, 6 customizable colors. And that's pretty much it, guys. So I just wanted to come and let you know what kind of tech I'm using. Let me know what you think about it in the comments. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, all that jazz. And that's pretty much it. I'm Brian Prince, and talk to you soon.